Revenue and profit both measure business income, but what's the difference between the two? Very often these two words are used as synonyms, even though they're not. In this quick video, I want to walk you through these two concepts. I think this information will be useful to those of you who want to become business owners or who are business owners at this time, as well as those who want to start investing and be able to read financial statements. But before we get started, welcome, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It is available on YouTube and on Rumble. So in simple terms, you can think of revenue as the top line and profit as the bottom line. Let's start with revenue. Revenue is the total income that is generated by a business. If you add up all sales made by a business during a year, that is going to be your annual revenue. This only includes revenue from regular business operations, by the way. If you run a professional services business and if you earn bank interest, for example, that interest would not be considered your revenue. Revenue only includes income from primary business activities and is reported on the company's income statement. Now let's talk about profit. Profit is how much money a business keeps after it pays its operating expenses. Profit is also called net income sometimes, or sometimes it is simply referred to as the bottom line. In some cases, you may also see profit referred to as net profit. It's called the bottom line because you would find net profits or the company's profits reported at the very bottom of an income statement, by the way. In most cases, net profit, net income, and profit are synonyms. What is the formula used to calculate profit? This will depend on what type of expenses a company has, so the actual formula will vary. But in very general terms, on a very high level, profit or net income is how much money a business keeps after paying all other operating expenses, including depreciation, interest, and taxes. Now that we covered both concepts, revenue and profit, I want to talk to you about the question that brought you here in the very first place. What is the difference between revenue and profit? In very simple terms, revenue is how much money a business brings in, while profit is how much money a business keeps after all expenses are paid. It always helps me if I look at an illustration, so let's take a quick look at one of the public companies' income statements. For example, here's the most recent report that was filed by Tesla. As you can see, the top red arrow indicates the revenue that the company generated. The bottom blue arrow shows you the company's profit. So I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining me today. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support me here on YouTube and on Rumble because it lets the algorithm know that you enjoyed this video, that you found it helpful. And so the algorithm will then recommend the video to more viewers with similar interests to yours. I'll see you in my new one soon. Bye for now.